Welcome back. In this session, we will understand this scenario, clearing vendor invoice with cash discount terms. We will complete 1 to 7 step for understanding this scenario. This is the vendor invoice we are posting from F-43. This we are posting from F-53. This is payment. See, this is the invoice, raw material, input tax credit to vendor. Tax rate 10%. V1 is the tax code. The concept of payment terms. Let me go to SAP. See, our company code is 9000 and we are procuring raw material from vendor 300 XYZ. This is the vendor. So, we are posting invoice from F-43 for RM inventory to vendor. This is our entry. For this transaction, our negotiation with the vendor regarding the payment is that we will pay this in 10 days. Whatever the outstanding amount, let me take, we are purchasing this on 27/20/23. So, we will pay for this procurement on 30/7/2023. So, this is the understanding between our company and the vendor. These are called payment terms. Theoretically, we are discussing this 10 days. Coming to SAP, we need to create one payment terms. Payment terms. T code is OBB8 is the T code. From there, we are going to do this configuration. So, this is one understanding. Credit period is 10 days. Whatever may be the transaction date, from the date of transaction, we are getting 10 days credit period. Apart from this credit days, 10 days, our understanding with the vendor is that if we pay within this period, the period between 27 to 37, whatever may be the period, like if we pay on 21 or 22, 23, like this 29. So, up to this period, if you are making before due date, this date, vendor should allow us 5% cash discount. Let me take amount for this invoice is 1000. 1000. If we add the tax component, it will become 1100. It will become 1100. So, if you are making payment before the due date, then vendor should allow us 5% cash discount. This is the understanding between our company and this vendor. So, what will be the entry if we are paying on 29/7/2023? Vendor account, debit 1100 including taxes to bank. On this 5% comes to 55. So, 1045 to cash discount. Cash discount is 55. Since we are making the payment before the due date, we are getting this discount. If you make the payment after the due date, then we are not going to get this cash discount. Then we have to make the payment, full payment. That is 1100. For this scenario, first step is to create payment terms. Second step, in entry also we are posting cash discount. We need to create this GL account. Since the system will generate this entry automatically, we need to assign in the background. For automatic GL determination. Let us see practically one by one. Hope you understand the concept. Follow notes. First step is setting up limits for cash discount. This limit for cash discount is set at employee level. Employee level, this is the T code OBA4. This is the maximum. This is the maximum upper limit. Upper limit means if you are posting one document for 1000, if I set their percentage like 5%, then maximum is 50 only. Whatever may be the terms between company and vendor, for this line item, this is the upper limit. If system calculated cash discount based on the payment terms exceed this limit, system will restrict to 50 only. Whatever the upper limit we are setting here, system will throw error message there. So that is the first step, setting up upper limits. Go to OBA4. Locate company code. Double click on this one. See, this is the place where we are setting this maximum percentage of cash discount. Set the percentage 5% here. Beyond this, system won't allow any cash discount postings. First step is completed. Second step is to create payment terms. Whatever the theoretical understanding of 10 days credit period, that we are going to do the configuration in payment terms. OBB8 is the T code. Save this. Here click on new entries. Enter Z001. Within within 10 days 5% discount. Here if you want to use these payment terms for customer and vendor both, select based on your requirement. Since we are testing this for vendor, I am deselecting customer. Rest of the things are irrelevant here. Coming to default for baseline date. Here we are selecting posting date. See what will happen if you go to FB60. Enter vendor number here. Here 20072023. See, this is called document date. This is called posting date. If you are entering backdate invoice today, the date on which data is getting feeded, that is called entry date. So we have invoice date is nothing but document date, posting date. So whatever the date you are entering at document date and posting date or entry date, go to next tab, payment. So here system will copy that date to baseline date. What is the importance of a baseline date? From this baseline date, system will add 10 days. System will add 10 days. That is the concept here. Whatever may be the date, whether it is a posting date, document date or entry date, based on the setting selected here, system will copy that date to baseline date. From baseline date, system will add 10 days and it will fetch a due date. So what is the due date right now? 21/7. We will complete this and we will check. Posting date, we are using posting date. If you want to use document date, select document date. Document date is nothing but invoice date. So here come to this one. Don't select any installment, this one. First one percentage, 5% in 10 days. That is the concept. Pay in 10 days, get 5%. Press enter. System copied this automatically. This is the payment term. Save this. Now enter here for understanding. See, system copied by default, pay immediately. I am changing this. Observe this one. What is the due date? What is the due date here? 31/7/2023. See, based on this date, system is calculating this one. If I change this to, so that is the concept of baseline date. From baseline date only, system will calculate due date. If I enter 20 here, system change this due date to 30. So whatever the terms we created there, we got here. 10 days, 5%. Next step. Creation of a GL account, cash discount. Since we are posting this entry, cash discount received is comes under income GL account. This comes under income GL account. Since it is not generating from core operating activities, we are going to create this GL as a non-operating income. Go to FS00. OBD4. I am checking income GL account range. This is, I will create a this 10. Click on create. Here GL account type, select non-operating expenses or income. The reason why we are selecting this income is generating from not selling the goods. If you are in trading business, if whatever the income generating from trading, that is called operative income. Since this income is generating from non-operating activities like paying before the due date, that is the reason we are selecting this one. Select here income GL, cash discount account, go to control data, select this one, click on this one, G001, save this. We have successfully created cash discount GL account. Next step, assignment of cash discount for automatic posting. Since the system will generate this GL account line item automatically, we need to assign this GL account in OBXU. Go to OBXU, enter chart of, paste this GL, save this. We have successfully completed this one. Next, post invoice. Go to FB60. Go to payment, change this term YZ001, press enter. See, for payment terms also we are changing this entry level. There is another option. Before changing there was a 0001. Go to BP, select vendor, now we are in a company code data for this vendor, the same vendor. Here we have the option. Here we have the option of defaulting these payment terms for this vendor. If you are defaulting this one, whatever the values you are defaulting here, system will copy those values to this tab. Hope you understand. Go to basic data, select V1, F4, click on this. Right now this is 0. Calculate tax, it becomes 1100. Simulate, this is the entry we are going to post. Go to FBL1N, F8. See, this is the document posted. Here you will find a not due. This is due. This indicates overdue. This indicates not due. Double click on this one. See, this is the payment term. Next step, posting outgoing payment. Go to F-53. Let me enter today's date. GL account. Amount is 1045. Process open item. Since we have 2 line items, deselect this one. 1045. See, what is not assigned? Not assigned equal to 0. Why not assigned equal to 0? Because we are paying this before the due date. Simulate this. See, system generated this line item automatically. Hope you understand. We are paying before due date. Due date is 31/7. Now what I will do, I will change this for simulation. 31/07/2023. This is bank GL. This is the amount. Process open items. Deselect this one. See, up to 31/7/2023 system is allowing. You can see here days in arrears. So next one, it is allowing up to here. Simulate this. Okay, now I am changing this F-53. So here I am going to enter 01/08/2023. I am making after 10 days. So I am checking whether system will allow this cash discount or not. Process open item. deselect this one. See, days in arrears, due date is 31. We are paying this on 1st August. So 1 day is already overdue. So what is not assigned here? Not assigned equal to 55. Why not assigned equal to 55? Since we are making the payment after the due date. Simulate. What is the message we are getting here? Difference is too large for clearing. Hope you understand. If you are making the payment within the due date, then we are getting 55 is the cash discount.